Okay, today we are discuss about this one problems. Basically, this is also the review problems. These are also from the old papers. Look at it here, Cambridge O-level Additional Mathematics 4037, and paper question number, and this is also the whole information is contained here. Okay. So, express our equation is what our problem is. Our 2 of x square, 2 of x square plus 5 of x minus 3, in the form of, so in form of what? B into x minus q of square plus r, where P, Q, and R are the constants to be the found. Okay, so our target is what we are finding the P, Q, R. We want to find the values of the P, Q, R and using this one equation. But look at it here. Here this is our quadratic equation, and here we have the x minus q is whole square. So from this one we can understand we can solve the quadratic equation with the help of the completing the square, so first of all you should clear it. Mostly student can be confused how we know that this problem can be solved by the completing the square. They are using the quadratic formula or factorization, but the examiner will not give you the marks. These methods are wrong because look at it here. Our examiner will be the bound us directly or indirectly. He is bounding us to using the completing of the square. Okay. So from the here, if we are taking the 2 as a common, so this is 2 as a common, and x square minus, sorry, this is plus 5 over 2 of x minus 3. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, I'm taking the 2 as the common from this one term and from this one term. And our formula is what? Our formula of a plus b whole square formula is what? A square plus b square plus 2a of b. You should find it. So look at it here. If we are writing this is our x square plus 5 over 2 of x, this is our first term, a term, and this is the 2a of b. So from the here, this is our 5 over 2 of x. It's mean this is our first one element. Sorry, this is our second one element. X is our first one element. So this is your 5 over 4 of square. We are taking add and subtract 5 over 4 square as the taking positive and negative. Okay, look at it here. 5 over 4 of square is adding and subtracting. Again, I'm repeating you for your more understanding how we know that we can add this one term and add and subtract this one term from the help of this one. X is our first one term, so our formula is what? 2ab. So 2 is as it is, so a is what? Our x, and our b is what? Basically 5 over 4. And in short, we can cancel out to each other. So this gives us the 5 over 2 of x. So look at it here. This is already contained in our problem. So this is the clue we are taking from our question. Okay, got it? CK, can you got it?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay. Okay. So this is our x square.
India is
5 over 2 of x. CK, from your side, I heard some sound or some noise.
um I'm sorry, sir. My momentary behind that, sir.
Okay, okay, mm, okay. So 5 over 2, this is plus. Uh, okay, why we are writing in so care format? This is okay. This is 25 over 16 of minus of 3. So look at it here. The can I so look at it here. Can I write it? This is the x plus 5 over 2 of whole square, and this is as it is 25 by 16, and this is the and this is minus of 3. Look at back to check it. If we are open this one square, this is the x square, and this is your 5 over from here. If we are removing this one, and so look at it here. This is the 5 over 4 of square. So this is the 5 over 4 of square, and this is 2 into 5 over 2 of square. So this is an open format. I'm closing it this square, and after this, look at it here. Uh, this is your 2 of x plus 5 over 4 of square minus 2 multiplied by 25 by 16 of minus 3. So this is your 8, and look at it here. This is 2 into x plus 5 over 4 of whole square minus 25 over 8 minus of 3. So if we are solving it, if we are solving this one in rough side, uh, 25 by 8 minus 3. So this is 8, this is 25 minus 24. So this is equal to what? 1 over 8. Can you got it, CK?
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay. No, look at it here. This is 2 into x plus 5 over 4 of square minus 1 over 8. So basically, if I'm going to back, check it here. We want to find the values of the P, Q, and R. P, Q, and R. So our P is equal to P into X minus Q of square minus of R. So look at it here. If we are comparing this one equation and this one on the behalf of this one, what I'm writing it, P is equal to 2 and Q is equal to what? 5 over R, and our R is equal to minus R is equal to minus 1 over 8, and on the behalf of this one, minus is cancelled to this one, so this is 1 over R, and our R value is this one, our Q value is this one, and our P value is this one. So look at it here. Highlight this one and this one, and our in our first one problem, our first target is completed. Again, I'm repeating it here. Basically, we just in this part, we are just finding the values of the P, Q, and R, and using the completing the square, and we have the quadratic equations. Can you overview it, or I'm going to the next one part?
Hello, you, sir.
Okay.
Highly auspicious.
Sorry, my internet connection was interrupted. That's why it's loading.
I can't hear you, sir.
No, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Now I can hear you.
Okay. Sorry, just my internet connection was restarted. That's why I dropped the meeting, and that's why. Can you see my screen? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. 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 It's just loading. That's why I'm stop it.
Sir,
Yeah. Okay. Okay. No, we are back. Okay. Thank you. So no, we are moved to the next one problem. Can I move to?
your voice is breaking a lot, sir. I can't hear you.
Okay. Can I move to the next one problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We can.
Okay. So from the here, hence the least value of this one equations and the value of the x at which this is occurs. Okay, and state the least value of the x. So basically we want to find the value of the x. So how we can find the value of the x? From the here, if we are setting this one equation is equal to 0, if we can set our equation is 2 into x plus 5 over 4 of square minus 1 over 8 is equal to 0. So here we want to find the value of the x. So this is your 2 into so look at it here. This is your 2 plus uh, 5 over 4 of square is equal to minus 1 going to the other side. This is positive. So we are dividing whole side by 2. Here also we are dividing by 2. Here we are also dividing by 2. So this is cancel out, and this is x plus 5 over whole of square. This is equal to what? 1 over 60. And we can take the under root on the both sides. On the both sides. And this is the square and under root is cancelled. So this is our x plus. Look at it here. The square and under root are cancel out. Okay. Can you got it, CK?
Okay. Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay, so this is your plus 5 over 4 is equal to plus minus 1 over 4. X is equal to so this is your x plus 5 over 4 is equal to plus minus.
Sir, can you speak a bit louder? Your voice went down again.
Okay, okay. So x is equal to 5 over 4 is equal to plus minus 1 over 4. Here we have the two cases. One case is what x plus 5 over 4 is equal to 1 over 4. And here we have the second one case, x plus 5 over 4 is equal to the minus 1 over 4. So look at it here. This is going to the other side of the equation. So this is, this is our 1 over 4 minus 5 over 4. And here this is our plus 5 over 4 going to the other side, minus 1 over 4. This is also minus 5 over 4. So look at it here. X is equal to what? Here we are taking the LCM. So this is 1 minus of 5. So look at it here. Uh, Look at it here. Our x is equal to what? Minus 4 by 4. So 4 is 4 cancel to this one. This is minus 1. So x is equal to what? This is the minus of what? X is equal to minus of 1, and we are going to the other one side. So look at it here. Here we are also taking the LCM. This is 4, this is minus 1, this is minus of 5. So x is equal to what? Minus 6 over 4. So this is 2 3 and 4. So our x is equal to what? X is equal to minus 3 by 2. Can you get it?
Yes.
Okay, no, you can overview it. First of all, I'm going to the statement. Look at it here. basically he want to find the value of the hence they state the value of that one functions and the value of the x at which the occurs. So basically here we are finding the values of the x. No, you can check it here and keep it in your mind. This is we are dealing our quadratic equation. That's why we have the two roots. Okay, so we have the two values of the x.
Along with
Okay. No, can I move to the next one part, CK?
almost, sir.
Okay. Can I move to the next one part, CK? CK, can I move to the next one part?
Then you can move the next one.
Okay, okay. Move back. So look at it here. Look at it here. So our fifth part, fifth question is what? Find the values of the x for which. Uh,
Your voice went
okay,
down again, sir.
okay. No, can you hear me?
Ye- Yes, sir, I can hear you.
So, find the value of the x for which we have the equation is like this is your 2 of x plus 1 of square and less than or equal to 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. Just a minute. 3x 3x plus 4. So look at it here. Find the value of the x. So we want to find the value of x. We want to find the value of x. So here we are finding square. This is a plus b. How we can open this square? Can you tell me, CK? CK, can you tell me a plus b whole square? How we can open it? CK, are you there?